Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Desi Rocket. We will explore the fundamental components and safety considerations for these homemade devices. Desi Rockets are often constructed from readily available materials, providing a hands-on way to learn about basic rocketry. Our focus will be on the theoretical aspects and general construction principles, ensuring a safe and informative discussion. Let's delve into the essential parts of a Desi rocket. The main body is typically a strong tube, providing the structural integrity. Fins are crucial for stability, ensuring the rocket flies straight rather than tumbling. Finally, a well-designed nose cone minimizes drag, allowing the rocket to achieve its maximum potential altitude. Each component plays a vital role in the rocket's overall performance. Now, let's conceptually discuss propellant and ignition. Propellants are substances designed to produce a large volume of hot gas quickly, creating the necessary thrust. Ignition is the controlled process that starts this reaction. For a safe launch, a stable launch pad is essential, guiding the rocket upwards during its initial acceleration phase. Remember, safety is paramount when considering any propulsion system. Safety is the most critical aspect of any rocket project. Always choose a wide-open space for any experiments, ensuring no hazards are nearby. Protective eyewear is non-negotiable to safeguard against any unforeseen events. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Prioritizing safety ensures a positive and educational experience for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.